Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. My name is Michelle and I'm a brow stylist at Mrs.Highbrow, and today I'm going to introduce you guys to our newest products. Here we go, it's a micro brow liner. And it comes in two colors. We have taupe and we have ash brown. And what is so nice about our micro liner is that you can create really fine and natural looking hairs. So I have quite dark hair, so I'm going to use the color ash brown. First, I'm just going to brush my hairs up. And for some reason, my brows are quite sparse right now, so it comes in really handy. And what's so nice is that you don't need a sharpener. You can just do it like this and create really fine hair strokes. So what I like to do is I start from the bottom of the brow and I draw the hairs in sideways. And I quite like the feathery look, so I go above my brow a little bit. And what I like to do is, for the first half of my brow, I just go more up, and as I move more onto the tails, I go a little bit more sideways. And you can already see how big of a difference it makes. It looks quite natural, but really full. So once again, I brush everything up, and then from the bottom half of the brow, I draw in really light hair-like strokes. A little bit more up at the front, and as I move onto the tails, more sideways. And after I finish drawing my hair strokes, I like to finish off with our brow gel. And I use our highlighter duo pencil for some extra definition. That's it, a really quick and easy tutorial on how to do hair strokes with our micro brow liner. I can't wait for you guys to try it out yourselves, and I'd love to see your beautiful brow pictures. See you next time, bye bye!